Hello lovely people, this is me Chef Varun and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today's recipe is a recipe from the times of the British colonization in India. This is known as the railway curry and I'm making that with mushrooms, in this case oyster mushrooms. Let's begin. Well, for the uninitiated, in the oyster variety, you also get the pearl oyster and the elm oyster. But what is absolutely common is the white oyster, pink oyster, pearl oyster, gold oyster, blue oyster, king oyster. What I'm using today is a classic white oyster, which is extremely domesticated in a country like India and now available everywhere. But by any means, you get different kinds of mushrooms. Go all out and put them to use. You can use your button mushrooms, shiitake, chanterelles, just go all out. The idea is to follow this recipe and make this for family and friends. First things first, we light the flame and begin with mustard oil. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with cumin seeds, a couple of Indian bay leaves, dried red chillies, and along with this, sliced red onions. Time to add in crushed ginger garlic along with green chilies. And with this, some dry spices. In this case, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, and we give a quick stir. Once all of this comes together, time to add in tomato puree, freshly made. Let's add in homemade curd and mix this well. You mix this quickly so that the curd does not split up, and while mixing, ensure that this also kind of becomes as lump-free as we can make this. Let's add in salt and give this a quick mix. Allow this to simmer on moderate flame till the oil, in this case the mustard oil, releases the sides of the pan. Now while oil is separating the sides of the pan, let me take you back many years. Imagine a frontier mail or a blue train, and now imagine the first class railway dining car, and now imagine an officer having a classic recipe of a kosha, finding it spicy, and then the recipe going back in the pantry car, getting altered, dahi getting added, coconut milk getting added, and then coming back in this mellowed version called the railway curry. And cut to many years now, we are making this, of course, in our home kitchens using oyster mushrooms. Time to add in our picked, washed and cleaned oyster mushrooms, freshly cut coriander, and a cupful of water. Let's give this a quick mix, allow this to simmer. And off goes the flame. With this, ladies and gentlemen, mushroom railway curry is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, wait for no occasion. Bring in luchi and your Amer chutney and try this for your family and friends. It's me, Varun signing off. Bye for now.